Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to buy stuff with coins on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom, and here you should find a coin section right here, and here you can see all the items and products that support coins discounts. So scroll through this list, and also you can search for the item, for the exact item at the top right here in the search in box. So type whatever product and tap search button to look for specific items that you are looking for. Okay, let me show you. If I tap on the item to open its details, and if I want to proceed to checkout page, you can see that I have saved amount of money by using 72 coins. So this is very convenient thing for you if you want to save some money. So that's basically it. That's how you can buy stuff with coins on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.